सिकंदर, आपका सारा premise ये है कि since they didn't hold party elections, therefore purportedly they were disqualified to hold themselves out to the people as a political party. Now this is the premise on which you have built your pura edifice. Now this premise, if this court, as my Lord Justice Mansoor Ali Shah has just suggested, if this premise is removed because this court or that judgment did not in any manner could be construed as disqualifying a political party. Now, there was a political party, enlisted political party. It was not delisted. Otherwise, they would have come to this court in appeal. But the Election Commission, probably speaking for myself, did not fulfill its obligation and treated them as if they were a disqualified enlisted party. Now here you see, आपका पूरा premise जो है वो खराब हो जाता है.
My Lord, I bow to my Lord's observations. I've made my submissions on it. It is ultimately for my Lords and this bench to give findings on. But
so coming to SIC, you say that they are not allowed the independents to join them because they didn't contest the election. That's your submission.
Ladyship, I have 2 points there. One, they did not, SIC did not field a candidate under its own common election symbol, which is one of the conditions. And in addition to that, it did not have a returned candidate. It did not, or if I were to say it in one sentence, I would submit, it did not successfully field a candidate under its own election symbol.
Right. So now in this CM that's been filed 5943 by the Advocate General KPK, they say that in the previous election, you allowed reserve seats to the Balochistan Awami Party, despite the fact that they didn't participate in the election, nor did they submit a list of candidates for reserve seats for women, but they were given reserve seats. So why has your position changed in this election?
I have taken instructions on that CM, my ladyship, and under instructions I submit that the commission has gone through this record, the current commission as proposed. There was a context, my ladyship, the 25th constitutional amendment ke baad, when the FATA areas were merged, there's a context in which that happened. The ECP's humble submission is that this decision is not compliant with Section 51.
But did the ECP have a meeting and sit and look at the record and then come up with all these ideas, or it just...
It didn't. I have asked, so there is just on file, this decision has been taken without a hearing. There is no speaking order as such. That is the answer.
फिर आपने ये वाले केसेस इस केस से डिस्टिंग्विश करने के लिए क्यों नहीं कोई ऑर्डर पास किया या कहीं मीटिंग की to show that you disagree with this?
लेडीशिप, इसमें तो फिर फुल हियरिंग हुई